For this Arduino project, these are the materials to be used. 5 jumper cables. This material provide connections between the sensor, LED, and power. 2 resistor 220R. This material limits current to protect the LED. 1 5mm LED. These materials lights up when vibration is detected. 1 tilt switch sensor. This material detects movement or vibration by changing contact position.
Int sensor LED 13, int sensor input 3, unsigned character state 0. Sensor LED pin 13 is where an LED is connected. Sensor input pin 3 is the sensor input pin. State a small variable 0 to 255 used as a flag. It's initially 0. Void setup, pin mode sensor LED output, pin mode sensor input. Attach interrupt 1 blink rising. Pin mode sensor LED output sets pin 13 as an output and input set pin 3 as an input. Attach interrupt 1 blink rising. This attaches an interrupt to interrupt number 1. Void loop if state not equal to 0, state equals 0, digital write sensor LED high, delay 1000, else digital write sensor LED low. If state is not 0, meaning the interrupt happened at least once since the last check, reset state to 0. Turn LED on for 1 second. If state is 0, now new interrupt, LED is turned off. Void blink state plus plus. This is the function called automatically on each interrupt. It increments state every time the sensor pin goes from low to high.